So the CDC has made another change to the operations manual for simulated and restricted voyages. Let's talk about it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Like always, before we get started, if you wouldn't mind, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It does help grow our channel and allows us to continue bringing you cruising content. So yesterday, the CDC did make another change to the operations manual for simulated and restricted voyages under the framework for conditional sailing. Now, this was a minor change, kind of slipped through, really didn't hit the news in any way, shape, or form. I happened to be on their website and did notice it. And like I said, it is a pretty minor change, but let's go ahead and take a quick look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and put it here up on the screen. So you can see here, May 18th, 2021, under summary of recent changes, they have clarified disembarkation testing is only for cruises more than 4 nights. So now we're going to jump down into the section of the outline that specifically talks about this. This is going to pertain to unvaccinated passengers only, and it now states that disembarkation testing is only required for voyages of more than 4 nights. And like I said, that's for those that are not vaccinated. You will still have to take a test on embarkation day. And if you are doing back-to-back sailings, you will still have to take the COVID-19 test. But if your cruise is under 4 days or 4 days or under, you do not have to take a test when you get off of the ship. All right, so no reason was given why this change was made. But of course, the CDC usually doesn't issue a whole lot of, hey, this is why we did it type of stuff. And the only reason I happen to know about it is because I was looking at the order to see if there were any changes made and did notice it. Now, I know Royal Caribbean had said this week that they were holding off on some of their health and safety protocols for their upcoming cruises out of the Bahamas because the CDC was going to be releasing additional guidelines this week. And let's hope this is not the guideline they were talking about, because if it is, it's pretty underwhelming. But I will be keeping an eye on this to see if any other changes are made this week. And if anything comes up, of course, I will let you guys know immediately. Other than that, the cruise news has been very, very quiet here the last 24 hours. After the news came out that the Florida lawsuit had been sent to mediation, even that has been super quiet. Haven't seen any response from any of the states on that or from the CDC, and not much else has been going on. It seems we spend more time waiting for cruise news, trying to figure out what's going to happen, where cruising is going to start, what are going to be the requirements, is it going to be vaccinated, is it going to be non-vaccinated, is it going to be a combination of both? We are, of course, still waiting to find out. And as soon as any information comes up, I'll let you guys know about it. Hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.